Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to be demonstrating or showing you my Hargreaves Lansdown stocks and shares ISAs investment portfolio. So this is a very sort of small portfolio compared with what you'll see on YouTube. I've been in the stock market for a while. I took a lot of my money out to purchase a property, so I've started to rebuild my stock, but I left one stock in there that is pretty much one of my favorites. So I left £1,000 in there. Um, so in this video, what I wanted to sort of demonstrate is what £1,000 can do over a year, and also if it's a good dividend investing stock, what you can seem to produce in terms of income from it. So I've chopped and changed slightly. I am going to be investing in the stock market probably in the next year or so. Um, Depending on how this year goes, but next year will be full on investment into the stock market. So at the moment, I've got about £1,000 invested in there. I've got a tiny bit of cash as well, I think £25. So, like I said, I just want to show you the sort of income you can get from this sort of investment. So, if I switch over to income, you can see here on this chart, this is this year's investment. So first, I think I had less than £1,000. I took my money out in, I think, September 2018. So January was a £2.44 investment. Now this is without any further investment. So I had a few other stocks that paid a quarterly dividend or every 3 months. So this is why the jump is there. So it never really went above 1,300. So with that being said, that's more than a 7-8% interest or dividend percentage per year. So here was, I think I had about £600 in there. So if we start from here, March is, close to £5, so it's £4.72. Now this is without any reinvestment in that. So £9, and then it went to £4. 76, and what it does in Hargreaves Lansdown, it reinvests later on. So once you build up to £10, it reinvests. So you can see the slight jump there between £4.76 and £4.82. So my dividend has gone up. This month will be another reinvestment, so it will slightly jump up again with that. So yeah, so my monthly average is £4.61, which is quite good, considering that this is something I barely even touch. I've just left in there. If it was, a few more zeros added on, so if I had 100,000, then yeah, I'll be getting £461 per month, which is a lot of money for not doing much. 100 grand, I don't think you're going to get that really from the property market. If I put 100 grand into a property, chances are I'd get really sort of around that sort of area, but I wouldn't be looking at, doing anything for the money. It's purely passive. This isn't considering an income growth of the actual stock as well. So in terms of equity going up in value, that wouldn't consider that. So if I just go to my stocks and I'll show you what I'm invested in, BMO Commercial Property Trust Limited. If we click this, and then I can show you what's been brought. So I did drop a £500 in there. So in terms of what's gone up, if we look at the income history, as you can see, there's been very small investments here and there. So it started off very small. So if you're thinking, oh, I don't want to make 10 pence or 20 pence, I want to make £5-10 or more in dividends per month. Look at this. I started off with 17 pence, and now it's up to £4.82. It will eventually go up to £5 by itself, which by that time I probably would, double, triple, or quadruple the value in the stock. So I'll be looking to build a sort of income portfolio off of this in terms of dividends. So I'm looking as a target, because I think it's very important to have a target of £100 per month in passive income. What that will look like is, that depends on what I'm invested in. But if we just use a compound interest calculator, we can sort of work out what that will look like. So, for example, if you invest 20,000 British sterling, and the interest is, I aim for about a 4 to 6% interest with that. So if we go calculation period month, let's have a look. Yes, so this is not correct. correct? No, that is correct. Hold on a second. That's the one. Yep, so a 5% will give you not that much. So, there we go. Apologies for that. So, yeah, we're looking at around. So, this is going to be your monthly interest. If you put £20,000 in there at 5%, you're getting £83. So, you want to look at where the £100 mark is. So, my target is going to be 24 grand. And that will give me £100 per month. That's a divested portfolio. I'm in a position where I can put away £1,000 per month. You know, I have various different income sources, so I'll be looking to sort of move £1,000 per month into there for the next 2 years. And then, yeah, that will literally build up my £100 portfolio. So I hope this helped. Hope you liked a little insight. I will be doing more update videos on this as well.